The INIFD Launchpad is a series of on-ground events across 5 zones pan-India. Design Festival is an exciting concept, specially designed for our INIFD students from different centers to come forward and participate, interact, share, and learn.
Hello everybody at INIFD. I'm so happy that I'm here being a part of INIFD Launchpad. Every student is coming forward and showcasing their unique capabilities when it comes to fashion design or interior design. Stay unique, stay you, because that's the only way you'll go forward. Thank you.
Design is about the mind. It is as much about your inside as much as it is about the outside. So observe, find out what the world needs so that you are relevant, and observe yourself from inside so that you understand what you are good at and what you can't do. When you merge the two, surely some path will poke out. All the best.
You have to have a lot of patience to be in this, learn every day, grow, because today there are 100 designers every day.
You have to grab every opportunity with both your hands and move at a speed that's faster than anybody else. Otherwise, you'll be left behind.
Only when you put your thoughts into actions is when you start learning. It's only you, your abilities, your strengths, your understanding of your weaknesses that drives your growth internally and externally.
You people will have to step out and create that aura around you where you will realize that people will only take you seriously if you look like designers.
It's a pleasure hosting this amazing Design Festival Season 3. I'm sure that a lot of them will have the opportunity of finally making it to the Lakme Fashion Week.
Both my garments are short dresses which are quite comfortable, sporty and with inseam pockets. We have used laser cutting technique to get a vest out of a garment and a cute skirt out of a garment.
Everyday common people use streets to reach their destination. So I thought, why not turn it into a fashion runway?
Vanaspati means flora. We have taken inspiration from the floral diversity of nature. The fabrics that we have used is tussar silk and organza.
And the reason I've gone with the crisscross shape is one, it's my abstract of trees of the roots that are intertwined. I have used two kind of muslin. The inside one is a 120 GSM muslin and the upper layer is 200 GSM muslin. And this is a perfect dress for a brunch or to go out evening.
I've used jute ropes with LED light ropes, jute fabric. As you can see, the backdrop is inspired from the pattern of jute beds or charpais or khatiyas as they call it in villages.